Hello guys, today I have another combination here. Okay, this one is an electra compact. Okay, this is one steamer and two groups, and then what hot water. This one hot knob is broken. Here. Okay, we will check what all the faults here. Okay. This one group is working. Keypad is not working here. Okay. This keypad is not working. Also, here in the cutting machine, we have this one safety device. Thermostat is they looped this one. Maybe they have fault in the thermostat. That's why they have looped. So we will change the thermostat. Then we will check. Also, this one is a pressure stand. Never connect direct like this. Don't make direct connection from the thermostat. Whenever you receive problem in the thermostat, just replace the item, but don't make direct connection like looping. Okay, this one is a safety device for the machine. Okay, the two faults I found. Also here they don't have group head gasket. Okay, we will change group head gasket, the knob, then the thermostat for this machine. Okay, yeah, this one is working good. Steam is also good.